everybody, welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. Right now, me and two of my friends are here in Hollister, California, attending the opening weekend of Northern California's Renaissance Fair. Right when you walk into the fairgrounds, you feel as if you step back in time. I was amazed with all the participation between the workers, volunteers, and even attendees. I actually felt a little underdressed. There were so many shop vendors there, from clothing, candles, jewelry, even music instruments. Whatever tickled your fancy, they have it. Northern California Renaissance Fair will be running every weekend between September 18th and October 24th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. When I got there, I learned that the weekends following will have themed weekends. September 25th through the 26th, Pirate Invasion. October 2nd through the 3rd, Heroes and Villains. October 9th through the 10th, Oktoberfest. October 16th through the 17th, Carnival and Masquerade. And the last weekend, October 23rd through the 24th, Halloween Fantasy. So before you attend, check their website for their themed weekends and dress accordingly. And because it's always sunny in California, I recommend wearing a hat and staying hydrated. The weather is unpredictable here. And also, always stay safe when attending any public outdoor activities.
That way or this way?
So there was this one show where they go down and started and they're like spinning in a circle. Neither brought her, so she was trying to do it. She couldn't do it.
There were also so many side entertainments throughout the fair. Check out a few that we've come across.
Think they're too good to come work? Who think they're too good to come work? Who think they'd rather lay about their cots? Who think they'd rather lay about their cots? Gazing upon their navels. Gazing upon their navels.
I really enjoyed getting schooled on the art of glassmaking. Plus, it was nice to sit down and get away from the heat.
It's called a stringer. All the glass pieces in my booth. Every dot, every line, the colors, the forms, the decorations, every part of every one of those pieces was originally 2,000-degree molten glass. People believed that when they saw lightning hit the sand, that it turned it to glass. But that's how they knew. A lot of people believe that. Because of a movie that was out a few years ago called Sweet Home, Alabama. In that movie, lightning hit the sand at the beach and it turned it into pure crystal sculptures. And that is Hollywood. Because the truth is that the sand at the beach, for the most part, is crushed granite. It's tiny rocks. It's not melted rocks that make glass. It's pure silica sand. The basic glass former in all glass. And you have to mine for silica sand. And yet, having said that, there are less than a handful of glass blowers in this country that make their own glass. Start with the raw materials, with the silica. But I am one of them. No, it's not just sand. Sand is the glass form. You have to add other things to it to get it to melt at lower temperatures, to make it more elastic, to drive the bubbles out of it. But sand is the glass. Silicon.
It'll happen. Boys and ladies, nevertheless, here we go. Swelling only 3 blades at the same time. You're saying you to that part? The rest of the show is going to be very typical for you.
God save the Queen! God save the Queen! Gracious Gloriana, allow me to distract you from so heavy a mood. Shall we not enjoy the wonders of the fair this day?
Your Majesty, we have many more entertainments we can offer you this day, if you please.
Oh, yes! Fester Lipleg and his musical mice are here!
Artemius the shepherd and his screaming goats!
I'm sure Her Majesty would much rather hear my personal rendition of King Lear in 9 riveting parts, or I can sing a soothing harvest ballad.
Or perchance Your Majesty would like to peruse some of the fine artisan goods from your merchants. You do have my purse at your disposal.
Indeed, well, that is exactly what I wish to do.
Her Majesty shall to progress.
With her reception here for her and 17 seasons of our harvest fair. Hip hip! God save the Queen!
God save the Queen!
And God save all you good people as well.
My friends and I also enjoyed our tea time with the Queen, Queen Elizabeth I.
Eat some drinks and up for 20, and we'll live together. We'll live on in glad. Like banana, to love. Like banana, to love. Like banana, to love. Together.
We all had to stand up to welcome in the Virgin Queen.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Huzzah!
Hip hip.
Huzzah!
God save the Queen.
God save the Queen!
Welcome, Your Majesty. Come on, come on. We're being a bit quiet because we do have a show going on. We don't want to. But anyway, do come.
Oh, you may be seated.
That means you can sit down.
Did anyone see the joust at 1 with the games? Now, why I gave the English knight that extra point was because the Scots knight was a bit of a dope. Because I think he cheated, because he's riding on his horse and he has his lance and he's supposed to be throwing it like a javelin into a target while he's moving, which is difficult to do because that target is only about yay. And here, Throckmorton, you be the target. So, he is on, the Scottish knight is on his horse. And the target's coming closer because I'm riding. And so he's got it, and then he throws it. And it's right there! Of course it's gonna stick in the target! But then the English knight is riding, and then he hurls it! I'm not going to throw it. Oh, good. And then from back here, and then on its own, it sticks in there. And that's why I gave him the extra point. None of this namby-pamby, oh, I'm going to wait till I'm almost there and then stick it in.
So with your tea experience, you actually get your own pot of tea. I chose a black tea.
Now, were they the thick ones or regular?
You also get a pair of scones with raspberry jam and lemon curd. You also get a plate of salmon, cucumber, and egg salad sandwich. And finally, dessert. Need I say more?
Am I more attractive than those other foxes?
Absolutely. There's no fox more attractive.
I just love how the queen goes around and welcomes everybody personally.
And everyone is enjoying themselves.
Hello.
I think the new scones are very yummy.
See, the hardtack we get on ships.
I agree.
You had hardtack, sir.
I have.
Only really edible once you dunk it in beer.
And drink the beer and leave the tack at the bottom. You're okay.
I think you would run out of beer very quickly.
Depending on the hardtack, that's true.
He seems something. He did not have a parrot.
Queen Elizabeth
So
also
one
had
day
one
he's
of her
in the port of
guards
London,
tell one
and
of
he's
her
looking around and
favorite
he
stories
sees
while
the
we ate.
Emporium of questionable pets. Of course, he's a pirate captain. Why not? He goes inside. He looks around. There is only one parrot. He inquires. There's only one parrot left. May I buy this parrot? Good pirate captain. Might I warn you? You don't really want this parrot.
She also had a jester tell us some jokes.
Okay, let's try with cows. Cows are good, right? We all like cows. Yay. What do you call a cow with 3 legs? Tri-tip. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Yes, we know that one. Okay. What do you call a cow in an earthquake? A milkshake. Yay. Would you require a dance?
Do you have your bowls with you?
No, but I could find a rock.
I don't want you to juggle a rock.
Oh. Okay, I have a song and dance prepared.
Would you like to do song and dance by scratch?
Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
I don't think that'll ever catch on now.
It's about tea and we're drinking tea. I thought it was clever. Anon?
Thank you. That did help. Here's to lying, stealing, cheating, and drinking. It is, Your Majesty.
How so?
I'm part of the family.
If you lie, may it be in the arms of the one you love. If you steal, may it be your true love's heart. If you cheat, may you cheat death. And when you drink, may you always drink with me.
Drink tea here at the Guild of St. Cuthbert's.
Thank you, Your Grace.
We're very happy to have spent some time with you here this day and hope that we will see you all again very soon. Now that they're... God save the Queen! God save the Queen! Thank you, Your Majesty.
Reign in majesty glorious, save the victorious, God save the Queen. Long may she reign in majesty glorious, save the victorious, God save the Queen.
Saruman and Gandalf. Gandalf the Grey. You shall not pass. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when attending the Northern California Renaissance Fair in Hollister, California. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.